Hello guys, my name's Ben and this is Bad Bikes, and we have another bike we are working on. It is a Ross. The first thing that we're going to do is we are going to remove the dork disc. There's metal! Oh man, this dork disc is going to be harder to take off than... Oh man. Did I just open up a can of worms? Might have just opened up a can of worms. Oh, okay, well we're gonna need to remove a wheel. Usually I just cut off this piece of plastic and then usually it just snaps right off. Just like that. So we're going to take our cassette tool, snap it right in there, and just pop it off. There we go. Okay, we just pop this guy right off. Yeah, look, there was a metal plate on there. That would have been really hard to cut off. Okay, now we just slide this guy right back on. Oh, perfect. Okay, so I just found out that the front tire is flat, and so we're gonna need to replace it. So let me go look for that and I'll be right back. And I found the right tube. It's awesome. I didn't know I had one. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna do when I'm replacing a tube is I'm going to remove the valve cap. All right, the second thing that I'm gonna do is I'm going to take the tire halfway off. So just pop one side of it off and then I can pull the tube out. So now all you need to do is to remove the inner tube. Whoa! Look at the monster of a hole that's right there. That's big. Okay, so now you're going to take your new tube, remove the valve cap, and you're gonna put some air in it. You don't want to put in a ton of air into the tube yet. You just want to give it a little bit of form. Okay, so you got your partially inflated tube. You're gonna pop the valve through one side and you're gonna stuff the tube in gently into the tire. And now you're gonna take your trusty tire lever or your hand, doesn't matter, and you're going to pop the tire back onto the rim. Okay, now we put a lot of air in it. Oh yeah, that's holding great. Take your valve cap, you put it on your valve, install your wheel, and you are done. Somebody installed these grips wrong. This grip right here is backwards and on the wrong handlebar. So I'm gonna need to remove both of these grips and make sure I do them right side up. Now we are going to work on the brakes. Okay, that guy's done. Let's do the front. Oh yeah, both brakes are done. Now all we have to do is work on the shifting and we are done with this bike. Okay, so one quick thing that I think is pretty cool about this older bike is that it has these guys for shifting. So it's not like your regular levers where you have this one for up shifting and this one for down shifting. You use the same levers for shifting up and shifting down. Okay, the bike is done and it's awesome. So let's go take it out for a test ride. Okay, so I just took it for a test ride, and this guy rides awesome. And yeah, I'm happy with it. Yeah, I think that wraps up this video. Go start wrenching on your own bike or find a bike in the trash and fix it up. Start riding it. And yeah, you'll have a blast, guaranteed. As always, my name's Ben, and this is Bad Bikes, and I will see you in the next video. God bless.